In this video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic right now, currently in a symmetrical triangle. The question is, are we going to break to the upside or to the downside? We know that there's two targets in symmetrical triangles. Let's have a look at Terra Luna Classic rank 31, $1.8 billion market cap, and $666 worth of volume. So we are down 43% in the past 24 hours. And of course, the volume market cap is 35%, trading at 30. So we've been trading at 30 for quite some time now. We've just been consolidating after this pump yesterday or 2 days ago. Approximately 36 hours ago, we had this nice little beautiful pump, and we just started consolidating after that. Now we know when we have a pump, we usually consolidate to resume that pump. So let's have a look at the two targets first before we dive into the volume and whatnot. Okay, so if we take the bottom of the triangle from the top and then we extend that and we do that again to the bottom, we know that we have two targets. One, the first target would be 26, and then the second target further along would essentially be right here sitting at 35. The question is, are we going to close above either levels? Because if we close above this resistance right here, so this would be a resistance, and then support, then that would confirm which direction we are going. And of course, guys, if you like these daily updates on crypto, Terra Luna Classic, Bitcoin, and whatnot, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and let's get straight to business. So going back into Lunc in the 1 hour time frame, if we close above this resistance right here, and I'm not saying wick right here, like we saw this was a fake out right here, and then we saw another fake out. We have to close. If we manage to close above this resistance, then it would be a nice little confirmation for a nice little run all the way up 35 and beyond, 15% from here. And of course, if we close below, which we are currently right now, then it would be a nice little confirmation for a 13% dump. The question is, where are we going exactly? Well, the candle does end in 15 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, so in 15 minutes we're gonna get a nice little confirmation. The question is, are we gonna break in these 15 minutes? Because if we break and close, then it would be bad news bears. But if we stay in, then we're gonna have to wait for the next hour, right? But guess what, guys? The breakout is coming very, very, very close. It should happen today within the next 4 hours. Within the next 4 hours, we will be having a massive, massive breakout or a massive, massive move coming. And of course, this direction will really dictate where we're going, because if we extend this right here, we know that this is a strong, strong, strong resistance for Terra Luna. Of course, I mean, we do have a resistance right here. This was a support that flipped resistance, another one right here, another one right here, and then another one right here. So we do have strong resistance all around. And then if we look at this support level, well, we know that this is a strong support level right here, and this is of course another strong support. And if I extend it, this is a support. Okay, so we know that these are all support levels. So every time we come back in this green line, we usually get rejected. We saw it right here, we saw it right here. So things are looking very, very good. And of course, guys, looking at the volume, I mean, the volume has been decreasing. Like I said, the volume has been decreasing, like I said in the beginning of the video. And we saw this pump, right? So we saw a lot of volume right here. Pump was exploding, and then we just consolidated, and now the volume is going down. So this is pretty much the calm before the storm. We know when the volume decreases, we know that there's a massive, massive, massive move incoming, and that the whales and the traders and whatnot are preparing themselves for a massive, massive breakout. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a very, very strong and very, very high candle or a volume candle right here, volume wick sitting in next literally 4 hours. We're going to see something, a crazy, crazy wick happening. It's going to be very, very interesting to see how this plays out, in my opinion. Now, if we go back on the daily time frame and we have a look at the stochastic RSI, we did flip and we're looking pretty, bullish, guys. We are looking very, very good on the stochastic RSI. Like, these candles might not look so good, but as you know, on the daily, on the 1 hour time frame, we are just consolidating after this pump, which is completely okay, in my opinion. The same way we had a dump right here. As you guys can see, we had a dump, then consolidated and resumed the dump. The same way we're gonna have a pump, consolidated before resuming the pump. Things are not gonna go in a straight line, because if they were, we would all be millionaires in one day, right? To make money, it takes time, it takes patience, and that's about it. And of course, guys, as you can see, the volume is decreasing as well. So this is kind of the calm before the storm, and that's about it. Now, having a look on the stochastic RSI, just an update. Look at this flip. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flip. And as you guys can see right here, we had a nice little beautiful flip yesterday, not yesterday, but the 20th on August. And we know what happened. We absolutely went berserk and parabolic. So this is why these levels are very, very important. And in my opinion, should be very, very good. But what we're really, really going to need to look at is on the 1 hour time frame. Are we going to break out of this triangle today? Yes, I think we will today, and I think it's going to be very, very interesting. This is going to be a very, very quick update on Terra Luna. And that's about it, guys. Don't fall for the breakout. If you're going to take a short, make sure you do it once it closes below. If you're going to take a long, make sure you long once it closes above. I think that we're gonna essentially break out to the upside because we're coming from a downside. Okay, we're entering in an uptrend, so we're essentially gonna continue that uptrend. That's what symmetrical triangle says. But if we were coming from the upside and then coming down, then we would essentially continue on a downside. But this is exactly what is happening right now on Terra Luna Lunc. This is my quick update. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. And of course, guys, if you want to trade Terra Luna Lunc on MEXC exchange, you could use my link and win up to $9,100 using my affiliate link below. Not only will you help me, but you will help yourself by getting some bonuses. Of course, it depends on how much you deposit, and you get to help the Luna fam community. Peace out, guys. Love you guys. See you in my next video.